Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Izolo ntambama, uDr Nasipho Moyo ubhale nansi post ethi me drafting an apology to the gentlemen of Tshwane before they hear the news. Ngizangiyinake le post mayiqala ukuvela. Ngeke ngazitshela ukuthi mhlambe kukhulunywa lo daba le-GBV nani ngoba lungidina ngento eyodwa lo daba le-GBV ukuthi i-gender based violence ibheke kubantu besifazane. Uma kungabesifazane abahlukumeza amadoda kuyona i-GBV. Ingakho nje indaba zakhona ngazi-entertain. Noma ke isikhona isihlava sokubulawa kwabantu besifazane bebulawa ngamadoda, kodwa zonke iy'nhlelo ey'khona ukulwa nalesihlava zibhekiswe kwabesifazane. Ngisho iy'ngane zabafana they are neglected, bayazibona. Awekho ama-programs enzelwe iy'ngane zabafana. Ngayitshela ukuthi hayi uDr Nasipho Moyo uzokhuluma udaba olucishe elifana nalolo, kanti hayi uzowasukela ngempela amadoda.
Residents of Tshwane, we are back at Ipindombi. This time we brought a powerful team, a coordinated team that's going to deal with the illegalities that happen here. We've had different teams coming to enforce bylaw, but they were not coming as a team. Currently, we are busy closing down the place. On the 15th of October, our emergency services guys came and they closed down. It was not even an hour later when they opened themselves. You know that we're here one night where we just needed to check for ourselves what makes these guys so powerful that even when we close them down, they open themselves. Now, what we are doing now, we're closing them down because the extension of this structure is illegal. There is a brothel happening here, and because this has a liquor license, they're not supposed to have lodging. Now, that brothel is illegal. It's not approved, even though their original documents talks about a hotel. They don't have a fire certificate. They don't have an LED certificate. And so because of those reasons, we are closing them down. For them to open, they must submit these building plans to us. So those building plans will enable them to apply for other licenses. But also what is concerning is the fact that there were items that were not being built. For instance, waste. These people have about 20 bins. We collect here, but they've never been included in their bill. So we are dealing with Ipindombi residents of Tshwane, mostly because it's concerning. What is happening here and what is happening with people's sons and daughters in this establishment is unacceptable. I know that we do joke about it. Maybe when we have a problem, we do joke about it. But we knew in our hearts that we need to deal with this, and that's exactly what we are doing. And so what we'll also do is just to arrest the guy for the illegal activities that are happening. So we'll take the guy who's also a guy that we've had issues with in Sunnyside. Anyway, the story is too long. For now, we're just saying Ipindombi is closed until further notice.
Awabulela madoda uDr Nasipho Moyo ngokuvala le ndawo. Kubantu ke abahlala endaweni enjengakoJozi, iPindombi indawo efana neChicky Tiger okanye iDiplomat, indawo lapho okuthengisa khona utshwala bese kuba khona osisi abathengisa ngomzimba. iPindombi ke indawo enjalo. Ingakho eqale ngokucela uxolo kumadoda ngoba kugcwala amadoda lapha. Osisi abathola belapha ngoba basuke nabo besebenza. Ama-services atholakala lapha phakathi nango.
All night is 1,000, whole day 1,500, full house. I don't know what that is. If you break the condom, it's 500 rands. What is 30 minutes blow and dog, normal and blow message and oof.
Yiwona ama-services lawa atholakala lapha iPindombi. Owesifazane oseqale lo msebenzi angikholwa ukuthi usengalunga ukusebenza nje umsebenzi oqondile. Buka ukuthi for 30 minutes nje 200 rand, for 30 minutes 200 rand. Zibhaliwe ke inhlelo zakhona zonke. For 1 hour 300 rand, for 2 hours 600 rand. Mangabe leyo ndoda imfuna ubusuku bonke 1000 rand. Ucabanga lo muntu lona ekwazi ukwenza 1000 rand ngosuku. Angasengathiwa uyofuna umsebenzi lapho khona ezohola 2000 ngeviki. Akulula. Angeke ngibahluleleke abantu abenza lo msebenzi ngoba angizazi izathu ezenza ukuthi bagcine bedayisa ngomzimba. Angizazi ngempela. Kodwa nje bengifuna ukudlulisa ukuthi uDr Nasiphi Moya ayiwahlukumezile amadoda aseTshwane. Ahlukumezekile ngempela ngoba kulezi ndawo ezinje kugcwala amadoda. Amanye ashadile anamaring, amanye ashiya amakhosikazi ezindlini. Kodwa akhetha ukuyohlala phansi athengele utshwala bakhe umuntu, athenga umzimba mayibona ukuthi kufanele bese ephuma endlini. Angisazi isizathu senza ukuthi amadoda agcine yakulezi ndawo futhi egcwala khona ukuthi yisiphi. Ngiyazazi lezi ndawo ngoba ngake ngaya khona ngifuna ukubona kwenzakalani. Ngakho-ke ngiyazi into engikhuluma ngayo ngake ngayibona. Angikhuluma into engiyixoxelwe noma engiyifunde phansi. Cha, ngake ngayibona. Into okuyibona kabarana le ndawo ileli China olibonayo nelinye futhi mabili lama-China. Njengoba ethe uDr Nasiphi Moya yilabantu akade benenkinga nabo ngokudlule ngoba na last bafika kwenye indawo kwatholakala ukuthi wona lama-China aqashe abantu abangama-illegal immigrants. Babe baningi siyenzile ivideo ngalolo daba mhlambe bala ko-50 ukuya ku-60 kodwa nje kuseyiwona lawo madoda. Ngakho-ke bathatha isinqumo sokuthi ngcono bazivale le sports bar. Nangikhala nje nge-timing kaDr Nasiphi Moya i-wrong. Awakasayivali-ke nangeyi-4, 5, 7 lapho. Uvala ngesikhathi amadoda eholile. Lapho amadoda ezitshela nje ukuthi hayi uma sisuka nje la sithola imali yethu siyakhona. Phela i-25 ishayile kuzi weekend abantu bazobe bengasebenzi abanye bazokwazi ukunyukela laphayana bafike bathokoze ngoba ngicela ukuthi la bathola khona ukujabula. Timing nje kaDr Nasiphi Moya yi-wrong. Okunye nje angimsoli ngakho kodwa ngisola nje timing yakhe wabulele lamadoda aseTshwane. MMC we-Public Safety khona futhi eTshwane ubhale kanje, we started another operation where more Chinese people were arrested and 5 times contravention notices issued for non-compliance. Also built illegal rooms for a brothel selling alcohol and used couch mixture and mixed with alcohol as drugs. They were arrested. Njengoba uzibonela-ke nansi leminye imithi abayitholile laphaya. Ukuthi ihlanganiswa kanjani-ke notshwala ukuze ibe ngama-drugs angazi ngoba notshwala ngangiphuzi. Le mali oyibona la ngizokukhombisa ivideo yakhona. Labantu laba bangaphandle abasebenza la abanamabhizinisi la njengalama-China ababhenki kulamabhenki wethu. Babhenke ezindlini. Bayithathe le mali angazi babhenka kuphi kodwa imali yabo babhenka ezindlini. Ingakho masithi uDr Nasiphi Moya nethimba lakhe suke sibala bona labo MMC be-Public Safety nabanye ababambisene nabo. Ukusebenza kwabo ngiyakuthanda.
Here's money.
Let's call the officers there for me.
Yeah, gun to this thing. Start there.
Call the officers there, please.
They're paying crazy this before. I think it's the jukebox. Oh, no. Yeah. But this is how they. Give us new.
Nanga ngokuvala iphi intombi kuphela. uDr Nasiphi Moya nethimba lakhe baphinde badlulela phambili. MMC futhi uPublic Safety wasibikela lokho. Uthi in Celia Street we found many illegal foreigners using bakkies and trucks to transport material, most unlicensed or expired, no driver's license, no passport or ID documents. Home Affairs must now urgently come on board and deport these illegals. Enforcement will not stop. Kuyenza ukuthi banda abantu abadriver bengenama license nemoto zabo imithelo yabo iphelile. Buka nje lo imithelo waphela ngoMay kodwa still isami emgwaqweni yingoba mawuno 20 rand ama-metro wayicheck yonke lonto leyo. Bayemisa imoto udlulume phambi kwakhe wehle ushiye imali yokweshumi ubuyele emotweni uqhubeke nendlela. Uma kungakanqandwa leso simo leso ngeke lenkinga bathi bayayilwa angeke iphele manje ngoba ayenziwa ngabantu abangama-illegal immigrants kuphela, yenziwa nangabantu base-South Africa. Mina ngangagibela itaxi engenawo umthelo nowodwa ngihlele eFront City ngayibuka itaxi yakhona ingenawo ngisho umthelo owodwa, inestika nje se-association kwakuyase Faraday, yayinestika nje sase Faraday phela. udriver ngiyakhumbula uma bemmisa wehla yena waya laphaya wabuya saqhubeka nendlela. Ngabuka ukuthi umuntu ukuyi-risk. Impilo yakhe worth u-20 rand. Impilo esiyiphilayo la eSouth Africa yethu ekhululekileyo. Impilo yomuntu worth u-20 rand. Ngoba yilokho abantu abakukhokhayo abakukhokhelayo. Ukuthi imoto isesimeni sesifanele noma ayikho sesimeni esifanele sokulayisha umphakathi abanendaba nayo yonke le nto leyo. Kodwa kubo uma bethole i-20 rand yabo. Cabanga-ke uma kuthiwa kudlula iy'moto eziwu-100 in an hour benza malini? Angiyibambe le video mntanami bese sidibana kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.